Do you know that data collection can be expensive and cause safety issues if not done properly? We'll help you collect your important job site data to keep costs down and manage your information better. All it takes is 3 easy steps. Step 1, build a custom mobile form from your paper forms. Step 2, collect all your critical job site data with mobile apps that reduce input and speed up reporting time. Step 3, take that digitalized data and distribute it across your organization for faster and more precise management of your assets. Call us today or click to set up a demo where we can show you how to streamline your data collection. We'll show you how formloco has created a 5-star experience for companies like yours. If you want to know how to save a huge amount of costs on your data collection and management, then contact us today. We'll do a free demo for your business to show you how our mobile apps and digital tools can help transform your business. Call us or click to book a free demo today.